Have you ever wished to make money quickly online? Many people do. The internet offers numerous opportunities, but not all methods are effective. Today, we'll reveal the fastest tested ways to earn money online. First, understand what online money-making means. It involves earning income through different digital platforms. From selling products to offering services, the possibilities are endless. Let's break down these methods step by step. Start with affiliate marketing. It's promoting others' products for a commission. Choose a popular niche. Sign up for affiliate programs. Share links on social media or blogs. Next, consider freelancing. Offer your skills online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients. Create a strong profile showcasing your talents. Bid on projects that match your skills. Another option is drop shipping. Start an online store without inventory. Research profitable products. Partner with suppliers who handle shipping. Market your store through social media and ads. Now, let's explain affiliate marketing further. Select a niche based on your interests. Research popular products within that niche. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates. Create engaging content promoting those products. For freelancing, focus on your expertise, whether writing, graphic design, or coding. Showcase your work. Use platforms like LinkedIn to network. The more you bid and promote, the more clients you gain. In dropshipping, your focus should be marketing. Use eye-catching ads to attract customers. Offer promotions or discounts to entice buyers. Customer service is vital for repeat purchases. For example, let's say you love pets. In affiliate marketing, recommend pet products. Create a blog with tips for pet owners. Use affiliate links in your posts. You earn commissions on sales from your links. In freelancing, if you're a graphic designer, create an impactful portfolio. Offer logos or social media graphics. Connect with other freelancers for referrals. Lastly, dropshipping allows you to work flexibly. Select trending products like eco-friendly items. Set up your store quickly using Shopify. Promote it tirelessly through social media channels. To summarize, the fastest ways to make money online are affiliate marketing, freelancing, and dropshipping. Each method requires dedication and strategic planning. Now start exploring these opportunities today. Choose one that suits your skills. Dive in and begin your journey to financial freedom online.